Hello friend, I am Samedi back with new tutorial video regarding r.c.c. In this video, we'll talk about the mild steel reinforcement. Last video, I discussed the type of steel reinforcement. In case you missed this video, there is I button, just go and check out. So, what we learned from this video? We learned about grade, material, stress, strain curve, few advantage, few disadvantage, and so on. So hopefully this video will give you some value addition to your base of knowledge. So without further delay, let's get started this video. So first we'll talk about what do you mean by this mild steel. Yeah, what do you mean by this mild steel reinforcement? Okay, basically it is a steel rubber most commonly used first early phase use for strengthening concrete. Why? Because concrete is weak in compression. So strengthening in which sense? Increase. Concrete is strong in compression, weak in tension. So strengthening means increase in tension, and it increase the design life of r.c.c. Okay, but why we use this mild steel? Why we use this mild steel? Basically, when you use the two material, there should be some good bonding. Suppose there is two friend, उसके अंदर थोड़ा नहीं मैच हो रहा है तो फ्रेंडशिप टूटेगा. अगर ज़्यादा मैच हो रहा है, बॉन्डिंग ज़्यादा है, तो the friendship continues. Same thing happen here also. So mild steel provide that good bonding. This is the one reason. And mild steel provide 100 to 140 times of concrete tensile force. Now, what kind of material using mild steel? What kind of material using mild steel? Generally iron, then carbon. Iron, then carbon. Some people say this is ferromagnetic material. Some people say it is ferromagnetic material because carbon content provides the mild steel magnet property. That is why few people are saying this is a very good quality ferromagnetic material. If we want to know what is the symbol of mild steel, generally Fe250 signifies that this is mild steel bar. What is 250? The 250 is design strength or yield stress, or you can say characteristic strength. So definitely now we have to understand the stress strain curve of mild steel. Suppose this is the axis, this is your stress, this is your strain. This is your upper yield point, This is your lower yield point. This is your yield stress. This is your ultimate point, and this is your break point. Then this is your elastic strain. This is your plastic strain. This is different angle. Just understand. If you want to know, then definitely I will make a separate video from stress strain curve. It will take more than 45 to 60 minutes understanding this thing. Anyway, so this value is your 250, and then what is the unit? Unit is Newton per mm square. Okay, so that will clear. So I hope that is clear. Now I talk about advantages of milestone. First, as we are Indian, definitely cost effective it is. It is cost effective. Number two, it is ductile material. If you see this curve, then see it's with lots of time or lots of deformation, then it breaks. Number three, it is recyclable. Number four, it can be welded. So these are few advantages of mild steel. But if something has some advantages, then definitely there must be disadvantage. Rusting issue. I discussed my last video. Steel, water, moisture, when everything comes under open environment. ठीक है? Rust. So this is one kind of disadvantages. If we talk about the mechanical property, what is the Young's modulus? That's defined by E or Young's modulus. For small recap, what is Young's modulus? Because we know that stress is proportional to strain. Everyone know. So we can write stress equal to E into epsilon. This E is known as your Young's modulus. For mild steel, what is the Young's modulus? Now E equal to sigma by epsilon, that is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. So sigma by E, suppose this is your point, this is sigma, this is epsilon. So अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा मैग्नीफाई करेंगे, this is sigma, this is E. So sigma by E, that is equal to tan theta. That angle is theta then. So that tan theta equal to E. So E is the gradient of this stress strain curve. This is the beautiful of the r.c.c or any conceptual subject. This is the beautiful thing. Okay, I hope you are getting interested with this subject. So another question is in mind: is my steel ductile or brittle? So as you see this curve, that curve represents that this is a ductile. But how much? How much? Because it is ductile. Why? Because low carbon content. So from here you can say if carbon content high, ductility decrease. Ductility decrease, brittle property increase. Okay, so कार्बन कंटेंट कितना रहता है 0.05 to 0.25% कार्बन कंटेंट. That is why it implies it is low carbon content. That is why it's ductile. That is why it gives you a proper wording before failure. So you can write due to ductility it show warning before failure. Yeah, that's the correct one. So yeah, this is all about mild steel reinforcement, where I talk about the different perspective of mild steel, like what do you mean by mild steel, why it is used, what kind of material used in mild steel, what is its symbol, stress strain curve, then I say the beautiful things about Young's modulus, what are some advantages, disadvantages, then we'll talk about the ductile or brittle. So yeah, it is all about recording my still video. So I hope you enjoyed a lot. In any case, if you have any kind of doubt, do comment in the comment section, and if you find some value from this video, definitely share the video with your. In next video, we will talk about HYSD bars. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you soon.